welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time since I've posted. Like, I've been really busy, and with this job that I will talk about in my next video, it's just been really chaotic, and I needed to take a break. But this video, I will be doing makeup for beginners, like what to wear as like a beginner makeup look that will look really cute, and I hope you like it. We're coming in hot with the Fenty Beauty Primer True Matte. I love this one, and I'm just gonna put this everywhere. So when doing a beginner's makeup, that means just a little, like, not like a full beat face. So I'm just gonna go straight in with the foundation. I'm not really gonna worry about doing my eyebrows or putting on extensions or anything like that, because this is for beginners, so I want to make it as easy as possible. So I like to put the foundation right on my hand, and then I take a beauty blender and then I pat it in there, getting the product on it, and then I start to apply it to my face. I just got this one too because I tanned and my foundation doesn't match me anymore, so had to get a different one. And I tested this one out on my arm because I was in the store, and this was close enough. And honestly, I think I did a good job. So what this is doing is, for me, I like it to look like I have like a clean face. So it's getting rid of all my dark spots. It's hiding some of my acne, some of my discoloration. It's hiding all of that. And that's what I like about Fenty Beauty. That's what I like about foundation in general. When it just makes my face look like I just washed it with the perfect match. Next, we're gonna bring down to our neck. And that's why it should be really helpful to have a foundation that matches your complexion. So it'll be easier to bring it down to your neck and not having a discoloration right here or anywhere. There shouldn't be a discoloration next to your ear as well. Next, we're going to take the concealer and we're going to put it just right here. And then a little bit right there. Then we're going to take the same beauty blender and we're going to pat it out, going back and forth, not going away from the eye. And then we're going to circle and we're going to do it over the eye. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. Back and forth, and then over the eye. Then we're going to take this and we're going to go in a T. We're going to make a T with the blender, and then we're just going to blend it out on our forehead. Then we're going to take the rest of the concealer that's on our sponge and we're going to go over our nose. All right, that's it with concealer. Next, we're going to go in with eye primer, lash primer, and we're just going to prime our lashes. We're going to put this on every single lash that we got that's on top and not the bottom, because if we put it on the bottom, it's going to get messy and it's going to look like a black eye. And you could use any lash primer. I just like to use the Super Volume Essence with the pink top because it makes my little lashes look huge. So that's why I use them. Now we can take our mascara, and I like to go top to bottom so I can get that full volume and length. Then we're going to take the same mascara and we're going to lightly get our under lashes. Then lastly, I like to put on lip gloss. It could be any lip gloss. I also have lipstick, but like for a basic look, I like to just use lip gloss. But basically, this is a beginner look. All you need to use is foundation, primer, concealer, mascara, lash primer, and blush. That's all you need for this look. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun. And stay tuned for my next video.